Hello friends, today I'm going to cook ampalaya or bitter gourd with pork and eggs. These are the ingredients. Ampalaya should be sliced thinly. And for me, usually I really extract its juice using salt. That is to remove its bitterness and then just wash. Then slice also the pork thinly. Then prepare the other ingredients like the eggs. We have to beat the eggs. Here I used 3 eggs. Now I will prepare the other spices, the garlic and the onion. Now let's heat a little oil on a pan. Fry part of the pork with fats. Okay, so just put it aside and then saute the spices, the garlic, and also the onions. It smells good. Then we will add the remaining part of the pork. Then put a little soy sauce to taste, and then we have to cook it for a few minutes. Now we can season with salt and a little pepper. Okay, we just have to add a little water and let it boil. Just have to make sure that the pork is really cooked well. Now let's add the ampalaya or bitter gourd. Then saute, mixed well. And this would take only a few minutes to cook. This time we will add the eggs. And then we have to mix it well. This recipe is healthy and delicious because it has meat, egg, and of course, a vegetable. This is already cooked and this is nice to serve when hot.